In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to Wishlist in Uniqlo 2026. First, open your web browser and go to the Uniqlo Philippines website at uniqlo.com/PHEN. Make sure you're on the Philippines store so prices and availability match your location. If you ever land on a different region, look for the country selector on the site and switch to Philippines to keep everything consistent. Next, choose where you want to shop. Along the top, you'll see sections like women, men, kids, and more. Pick the section that fits what you're looking for. I'll use men as an example here, but the process is exactly the same in any section you choose. Now start browsing products. You can scroll through featured items or use filters like size, color, and price to narrow things down. This is a great moment to explore new arrivals or essentials and to open a few product pages you're interested in comparing later. When you find an item you want to save for later, open its product page or hover over it on the listing grid. You're looking for a small heart icon. It usually appears near the product image or close to the price. Think of this heart as your quick shortcut for saving favorites without committing to buy right now. Click the heart. If it's your first time using the wish list, the site may prompt you to sign in so your items sync across your phone and computer. You can continue without signing in, but just remember that saving while signed in helps keep your list backed up and available on any device. After you click, watch the heart. When it turns red or appears filled, that's your confirmation that the item has been added to your wish list. There's no extra button to press and no form to complete, just that visual change on the heart icon. If it doesn't change, give the page a second to refresh or click once more to make sure the action registers. That's it, your item is now in your wish list. You can repeat this on any product you're considering: t-shirts, jeans, outerwear, or accessories. Later, when you're ready to review everything, look for the heart icon in the site header to open your wish list. From there, you can compare colors, check sizes and stock, and move items to your shopping bag when you're set to purchase. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to add items to your Uniqlo wish list so you can plan outfits, track restocks, and shop smarter anytime.